In the last video, we learned our first Java program and performed some exercise around the same. Now, let's understand what are JDK, JRE and JVM. What's the difference between these? Take an example of car. When we listen the word car, then our mind came up with a picture of some car and we understand this is car. In technical term, we can say this car is a kind of specification that there will be engine, seats, steering wheel, etc. Actual car we drive is the one provided by car companies like Ford, Hyundai, Kia, etc. Now, how do we run a car? We provide fuel to it, and when engine is started, then we can drive. Similar is the case with JDK, JVM and JRE. Here the car is JVM, which is the specification that will provide runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. Its actual implementation is provided by various companies like Oracle and others. These companies provide implementations known as JRE, Java Runtime Environment. This can be considered as car's engine, which will process the fuel bytecode and execute it. Now, to provide fuel bytecode to our engine JRE, we have compiler tool JavaC inside JDK to compile Java code written by us and convert it to bytecode, that is class file. If you have watched previous videos to set up Java, I have mentioned that we need JDK, Java Development Kit, to develop Java programs. You can think of JDK as car manufacturing unit where all the car manufacturing tools are available. So in technical terms, JDK is the software development environment which is used to develop Java applications. When Java was installed, you must have specified the location where it will be installed. Usually, it's program files, unless and until you change it while installation. Let's check that location. Here in JDK folder, we have JRE inside and it has same content as when you install JRE only. You can download and install JRE only from Oracle website. One more thing to notice here is that we have javac.exe and java.exe inside JDK's bin folder. But if you check inside JRE's bin folder, you will have java.exe only. So, JDK provides all the necessary libraries and classes required to develop Java applications. I tried to explain JDK, JRE and JVM in the simplest possible way with real life scenario examples of car. In case you have doubts or queries, please mention in comment section and I will try my best to resolve them at the earliest.